In this demonstration, I'll show you how to use a National Flooring Commander, how to fit the blade onto the machine, adjust the weights, put the drive pins in the wheels, adjust the arm, turn on your speed control. So first off, you'll either have an Allen key or a 15mm spanner with this machine. It's got our blade. We just make sure our bolts are loose. Insert the blade into the holder, and then we'll just tighten them up. Try not to do them too tight, because when it comes to changing the blade over again, you may struggle to just take them off due to glue and other foreign objects getting into the blade holder and getting under the blade holder. It just causes more pressure. Not only that, you don't want to slip and catch your hand on these blades. These blades, when they're new, are absolutely sharp. So that's why I've got gloves on. Just be mindful, use the correct PPE, and you should be okay. When you're putting them down as well, just make sure that you put it down and lower it gently, due to the fact that there is actually rubber mounts inside here, and if you drop it down, what happens is they end up splitting. As soon as one splits, they all start to go. There's more strain on each of them then. So, put our spanner back. Now, putting the drive pins in the wheels, a lot of the time we get asked, why doesn't this machine move forward or backwards? It's because these pins aren't in the wheels. So, best way to do it, stand this side of the machine or kneel this side of the machine, pull it over, rest it on yourself, just turn the wheel slightly to get the pin in, and then just rotate, push the pin in, and it's that simple. Goes straight through the axle, ring comes over, keeps it in place. You'll see better this side. So we've got the hole this side here. There we go, straight in. Now you can't move it. You can only move it when it's turned on now, unless you take the pins out. We've got it plugged in. You've got your handles here, forwards, backwards. You've also got your speed control on top. You turn it anti-clockwise, makes this machine go faster. Turn it clockwise. If you go so far, it'll move slightly. Judging how it's set up, it may not move at all, and it may just crawl. You've got your start stop on the front here. That's what we'll do. Just get that out of the way. There we go. Now on this, let's just turn it off. The wheels aren't driven individually, both together. It's just on a single drive axle. But just turned it there a little bit so you can see we do have a handle adjustment. If you pull that handle up, pretty stiff. But you can set it to where you need it to be. So, backwards, forwards, pretty simple. Speed control. Now, depending on what product you're taking up, because you have these weights on the side. Now, these handles, the quick release. So, basically, anti-clockwise, loosen it off. Now you can move it forward, backwards, depending on where you need it to be, depending on the setup. It's all trial and error on each floor. Some configurations work better than others. Now, on the backs of the wheels here, you have got these scrapers. Now, if you have got glue on the wheels or anything like that, you can adjust these blades here to go closer to the wheel, just to take the excess glue away from the wheel so you get better traction. The front weight is detachable, so if you do need to potentially take it up a couple of flights of stairs or a flight of stairs, you don't want to be going any more than that. You can take the front weight off and you can take the two side weights off as well. They do come with a spare blade. It's usually attached to the back here on this adjustable handle. 32 amp machine, 110 volt. We do supply these with a 5 kVA transformer if needed. And that pretty much sums it up.